So excited, new this June is this blue and white, really fresh delivery from Greyson, right? From all over prints, from the really great collars that they have to the details on the cuff. Some are very wearable things and some are very loud things. And I love how this brand does a mix of it. I handpick the looks that I know my customers like here in Arizona, and I also handpick looks that I want my guys to start wearing, right? So like, a look like if you're used to wearing something like this, I pick it because it has the contrast collar, which just elevates the look. Same thing here, super sporty. Tennis is big here in Arizona, and tennis is really big, happening all summer long with Wimbledon and the influence of all those athletes. So I love how Greyson has this, but you guys can sport this with a pair of jeans or slacks or your favorite pair of shorts. Like, you don't have to hit the court wearing this polo, right? And I love how they use their print in the wolf head as all over, snap collar there. This guy too, I mean, Greyson is known for some of their fun, loud prints, and I think he's so handsome, edgy, and cool. If you're a guy who hasn't worn a look like this, it's time to add one. Here's also a really cool look. This is the Werewolf polo. I'll have all these in my online store, and you can shop and get them. Love it, just kind of busier, fun, bold look, but this color is very handsome. Love this all over butterfly one as well. This is butterfly den polo, right? You can just see, like when you get in there, you see all the details of it. Right? And I love how the brand picks these little jacquard collars and not doing self collars. It just elevates the whole look, okay? This one's got the rib trim. Some of you guys go crazy for that, so keep in mind this detail. If you have huge biceps, you really be showing it off with this. If you don't have biceps, you'll look like you have them in this, okay? Another couple looks I want to show you. Coral Dreams I had for spring in a micro print. Here they brought it back a little bit more exploded. Still cool and wearable. I love this purplish blue color. Here, this is my favorite polo this season. I showed you on the mannequin. This is the Racket Icon polo, like awesome. Now, you can't feel this because it's a video. This fabric feels a lot drier, a little bit more dense compared to some of the other ones. So my only guess is like a different factory made this, but still, maybe because of all the ink on it, I'm not sure. Still wearable. You're still gonna love it. It's not gonna hurt you. It just feels not as soft as what Greyson normally does. Okay, a couple more really handsome looks. Back with the Cherokee Polo, he is a home run. Okay, if you're new to Cherokee, it's still that cotton poly blend. It's super soft, it feels a lot lighter, but these fit just a little smaller than the normal Greyson Polos. I do a whole video on my YouTube about how Greyson Polos fit. They fit big, but this one, the Cherokee, this is a medium and it's a little smaller. So if the mediums normally are tight on you, you might want to go up or down a size depending on how this fits, but you can see how snug this guy is. I'll do more content about the Cherokee Polo just to help guide you by the right size. But this detail looks fantastic with a collar and the rib cuff. It just takes a solid blue polo to the next level. And even in the wintertime, wear this under a quarter zip for a win. It's awesome. I love these micro prints. This guy is long tail polo, okay, super clean, a longer placket. I love the solid collar. And this next one is silver haired bats. Like just a really cool geometric all over print that's just, I mean, it's so wearable and cool and just not a very pedestrian look. This is why I like this brand. I showed you this fun guy with the snakes. His name is Sea Snakes Polo. But lastly, okay, look at him. Super sporty. This is the Sequoia tennis full zip, I want to say. Yeah, but like, I mean, you guys look at this. The piecing, the edge, if you've got a lot of full zips in one color, this is a great look just to kind of put a little edge and look to your layering pieces. It's got the piecing in the back, the blue and the white. It's just the fabric you guys love is Sequoia, but just these details, I mean, fun. Fresh, new, very handsome and gentleman, and something with a little bit of edge. So hope you love these. If you need help finding a size, my name is Mary. My shop here is Q Contrary in Phoenix. Check out my online store, check out my other videos. Try Greyson, give them a shot. If you're a Greyson fanatic, you're excited, you know how cool this stuff is. Thank you so much.